Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a directory traversal lab in Portsbigger's Web Security Academy. It is file path traversal simple case. In the display of product images, we need to retrieve the contents of the Etsy password file. Sweet. Let's get started. This is apprentice level, so it should be fairly easy. Let's start off by talking about, I made the study sheet or whatever for this one. So for exploits, of course, we'll just do .. to read system files. And then if there's defenses, we'll kind of go through these to bypass those defenses. I added one other thing. So I want to start keeping track of what was achieved. So directory traversal most likely will be reading system files. So that will be like probably the first one that gets added because the goal is to read. Let's just do that now. Read system file. And the reason I want to start doing this is kind of to help me keep track of what vulnerability I want to try to find based on what was achieved with the vulnerability. It also will help. Let me show you the test stages because I did make a couple of changes to that. Let me, so I added a leaf here for directory traversal. So as we can, I guess, add read system files. And then I can't remember the last time we covered this, but I know I added SSTI or the server-side template injection. I added that to file access because we do achieve RCE through that. I also added it to user access. And that's because if you remember, we were able to read sensitive information from the user object in one of the labs. And this may aid us here. So I could imagine like reading a secret key and then modifying the token or this, creating our own session token to get admin access, something like that. So I'm going to add it here. I did not add SSTI here, but that, it could be a possibility. Anyway, here's where we have, I don't know if I talked about request smuggling, but I do have it in these two, in all three. So XSS steal cookies or bypass auth. I could see that for user to admin, from no access to user, and then user to admin access. Reads, I should do, yeah, oh, okay, I do. Same three. XSS, steal cookies, and bypass auth. And then for admin access, sorry, I just have bypass auth here. So we'll see how useful this turns out, but that's where I'm at here. Okay, enough jibber jabber. Let me save this because I did make an edit, and we'll close window just so we have this one ready to go. The lab should be open by now. So it said it was in the images. Let's, so in here, proxy, HTTP history, like this, let's send this to repeater and start, I don't want to solve it. So I'm going to do, I'm not going to get the Etsy password. Do we have to? we don't have. So I was checking for a submit solution. So if there was something in there, but let's try this like that many one more time. And then we'll do Etsy/host name, which is what I'm going to do to verify it. And then in Python, hey, that worked. So I wonder, so we can see how many directories we need to traverse. So 3 slash dot dot 1, 2, 3. All right. This will be fairly straightforward. We're just going to get this URL in Python. Let's see. So Vim, what was it called? Simple case or something? Just simple. Let's just call it Vim simple.py. We'll grab our directory traversal. Uh-oh. I don't have ln-s to utils unlink directory traversal. I have no idea how I can mess that up, but whatever. Now we have it. Clear Vim, and we want to open up. Did I create simple here? No, Vim simple. Sorry. Now we'll grab our template. Boom. This was a shop. Oops. So we already got shop here. All we need to do is shop.get response for that URL. URL equals shop.base URL plus this. We can do, I don't know if get response does parameters. Let's just do it like this. URL, and then we can do shop.is solved. So a super fast one. Python, simple. We don't even have any logs. That's fine. Let's try it. Nope. We did not solve it. Oh, that's because, well, let's see if it worked. We got the host name. Get. Oh, that was get this one. Wait. Yeah, this one. Python requests. It did work. We just have to get the password. Passwd file. All right, now we can solve it. And that should be it. So this one's a pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.